It's a big bundle of puppies. Okay, so this is day 13, and a lot of the puppies' eyes are open now. In fact, all of them. This is one here. This is the little runt in the family. She was the first to have her eyes open. Not really sure what colour they're going to be yet, but they look bluish. They might change a little bit of a colour later on. Look at that. This is the boy. Have a look at his, see if he's got his eyes open. Yeah, look at that. You can't see at the moment, but they're still focusing and getting to see things. His eyes are actually quite dark, but they do look bluey on the sides, so it'll be interesting to see what sort of eyes he's got. Very cute. This little boy here keeps walking around now on his 4 paws. Can't see him. This one here also walks a little bit with her paws. And the little runt, she was actually the first to walk about on her little paws.